Welcome to the listening test of Toefl Primary, Step 2. This test is brought to you by Flyer. Part 1. Listen and choose the correct answers. Let's do an example.
Number 1. Listen to the mother.
Your temperature is so high, Lily. You have a fever. Please stay in bed and rest. I will get you an ice pack to cool down.
Now answer this question. What did the mother tell her daughter to do? The answer is B. Did you see the tick? Now you do it. Number 2. Listen to the teacher.
Attention all students. According to the forecast, a heavy storm is about to hit the city in the late afternoon today, so classes will end earlier at 3 p.m. The school buses will come in 20 minutes to take everyone home. Please walk to the school gate and wait for the bus.
What did the teacher tell the students to do? Number 3. Listen to the mother.
Tom, it will take us about half an hour to get to the book fair. I want you to sit in the back seat and fasten your seatbelt to stay safe while I am driving.
What did the mother tell her son to do? Number 4. Listen to the teacher.
The gym will be closed for maintenance from Tuesday to Thursday this week. Please go to the soccer field for your PE lessons on these 3 days.
What did the teacher tell the students to do? Number 5. Listen to the teacher.
Some of you did very well on your book review report, but some still need to improve your writing skills. I will return your reports now. Please have a look at my comments at the end and come to me if you have any questions.
What did the teacher tell the students to do? Number 6. Listen to the mother.
Hey, Leslie, I need to go to the post office right now. Could you watch your baby brother for a while? I will be home in half an hour.
What did the mother tell her daughter to do? Number 7. Listen to the mother.
Your room is such a mess. Put away your things and vacuum the floor. I want you to finish cleaning it before dinner time.
What did the mother tell her son to do?
Part 2. Listen to a conversation and answer the question. Let's do an example. Number 8. Listen to the conversation between the boy and the girl. Listen for the answer to this question. How will the girl get home?
Look at the black clouds. I think it's going to rain soon.
I hope not. I have to walk home.
Don't worry. I can give you my umbrella. My mom is going to drive me home, so I don't need it.
Thank you so much. I will give it back to you tomorrow.
How will the girl get home? A. By bus. B. By car. C. On foot. The answer is B. Did you see the tick? Now you do it. Number 9. Listen to the conversation between the girl and her mother. Listen to the answer to this question. What are they going to buy for Marshall?
Marshall's birthday is this Friday. What gift should we buy for him, Mom?
His trainers are very old. We should get him a new pair. Let's go to the shopping mall after your dance class this afternoon.
Great! Aunt Lily said she would make him a strawberry cake. I think Marshall is going to have a great day.
What are they going to buy for Marshall? A pair of sandals. B, a strawberry cake. C, a pair of trainers. Number 10. Listen to the conversation between the boy and the librarian. Listen for the answer to this question. What does the boy want to do?
Good morning. I'm a new student here. I'd like to get a library card.
Hello. Do you have your student ID number?
Yes, here it is.
Okay. Please fill out this form to apply for a library card. Your application will be processed within 2 days. We will inform you when it's ready. What does the boy want to do? A, apply for a library card. B, renew his library card. C, visit a library. His library card. C, visit a library. Number 11. Listen to the conversation between the girl and the ticket seller at the train station. Listen for the answer to this question. From which platform does the next train to Chicago leave?
Good afternoon. I'd like to buy 1 ticket to Chicago.
Sure, that's $20.
Thanks. What time is the train?
2 p.m. and it leaves from platform 3.
Thank you. Goodbye.
From which platform does the train to Chicago leave? A, platform 2. B, platform 3. C, platform 20. Number 12. Listen to the conversation between the girl and the salesperson at the store. Listen for the answer to this question. What is the girl going to do next?
Hello. I'd like to return this sweater.
What is wrong with it?
I ordered it online, and the one delivered to my home was not the right size.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
A refund, please.
I see. Please fill out your name, telephone number, and the reason for the return on this form.
What is the girl going to do next? A, order a sweater online. B, ask for a refund. C, fill out a form. Number 13. Listen to the conversation between 2 classmates. Listen for the answer to this question. When is the tea party?
Hi, Beth. I'm wondering if you would like to come over for a tea party this Sunday afternoon.
That sounds nice. What time?
At around 3 p.m.
Okay. See you then.
When is the tea party? A, at 2 p.m. next Sunday. B, at 3 p.m. this Sunday. C, at 3 p.m. next Sunday. Number 14. Listen to the conversation between the mother and her son. Listen for the answer to this question. Where are they going to ride their bikes? Hi, John, I'm home.
Hi, Mom. You came back so early today.
Yeah, the weather is so nice. Do you want to go to the park to ride our bikes together?
That sounds fun. Let's go.
Where are they going to ride their bikes? A. At the park. B. In the forest. C. Around the lake. Part 3. Listen to the phone message and answer the question. Let's do an example.
Number 15. Listen to the phone message.
Hi, Jack. It's Lily. I just sent you an email about the things we need for our science project that's due next Monday. Please have a look at it.
Why did Lily call? A. To tell Jack about their science project due next Monday. B. To ask Jack to check for an email from her. C. To share her experience with preparing for a science project. The answer is B. Did you see the tick? Now you do it. Number 16. Listen to the phone message.
Hey, Sophia. It's Betty. What should I bring to the picnic tomorrow? I left the shopping list somewhere, and I don't remember what to buy. Please call me back when you get this message.
Why did Betty call? A. To invite Sophia to a picnic. B. To tell Sophia to bring something to the picnic. C. To ask Sophia what she should bring to the picnic. Number 17. Listen to the phone message. Hello, Kevin. This is Tom. I'm calling to see if you would like to play basketball with us this Friday afternoon. We will start at around 5 p.m. in the school gym. Hope you can join us. Where will the basketball game take place? A. At the playground. B. In the school gym. C. At the park. Number 18. Listen to the phone message.
Hello, Ken. It's Jennifer. Do you know that our old friend Linda has just returned from France? I picked her up at the airport this morning. I'm calling to see if you want to have dinner with us sometime this week. Talk to you soon.
Why did Jennifer call? A. To ask Ken if he wants to join her and an old friend for dinner. B. To tell Ken to pick up Linda from the airport. C. To invite him to see their old friend off to France. Number 19. Listen to the phone message.
Hello, Mr. Wilson. This is Miss Clark, principal of John Hart Elementary School. I regret to inform you that school will be canceled today due to heavy snowfall. Please expect school to resume tomorrow. In the event that the school is unable to open, we will contact you again tomorrow. Thank you.
Why is the school closed today? A. Because of heavy rain. B. Because of heavy snow. C. Because of severe flooding. Number 20. Listen to the phone message.
Hello, Brittany. This is Laura. I couldn't make it to English class this morning because I had a very bad stomachache. I think I ate some bad food yesterday. Could you please tell me what the homework is? Thank you.
Why did Lara miss English class this morning? A. Because she was out of town. B. Because she cooked some bad food yesterday. C. Because she had a stomachache. Number 21. Listen to the phone message. Hi Martina, it's Jason here. Ben can't go to the concert. Let me know as soon as possible if you would like his ticket. If not, I will pass it on to my cousin Dave. Who should Martina contact if she wants the ticket to the concert? A. Jason. B. Ben. C. Dave.
Part 4. Listen and answer the questions. Listen to the story about a boy named John.
It was a hot summer day. John walked home after school and felt very tired from the heat. His face was so sweaty. Mom, I'm home. I'm so thirsty. He called for his mom. Hello, honey. Come drink some cool orange juice. How was school today? His mother asked. Just like every day, Mom. But when I was walking home, my backpack seemed heavier than usual, replied John. Mom laughed. Oh dear, you carry the same things to school. Why was it heavier today? Maybe the hot weather made you feel more tired. Probably. I also walked the same distance, but felt more tired today, said John. The hotter it got, the more elementary school children, like John, longed for summer holiday. The boy finished his orange juice and dreamed about swimming in the sea or reading a comic book all day in his air-conditioned room. I can't wait for the school year to be over, John said. His mother laughed again. I thought the same when I was your age. Don't be sad, honey. You know what? A new water park is opening in town this Saturday. It has pools, sprinklers, and water slides. Do you think you're brave enough to try the slides and surf the waves there? John jumped for joy. Woohoo! This summer is going to be the best one ever.
Now answer the questions. Number 22. How did John feel when he got home? A. He felt bored. B. He felt thirsty. C. He felt hungry. Number 23. What drink did John's mother give him? A. Orange juice. B. Iced tea. C. Soda. Number 24. What did John dream about? A. Relaxing when the school year is over. B. Going to the water park. C. Seeing a waterfall in the forest. Number 25. What does the water park have? A. Pools and water slides. B. Pools, splash pads, and water slides. C. Sprinklers, pools, and water slides. Listen to the story about a boy named Tim and his friends.
It was a special day for Tim and his class. They were taking part in an event called Cleanup Day to collect trash in the park by his school. After finishing breakfast, Tim cycled to the park. When he arrived, almost all of his classmates were there. When they saw Tim, they waved and smiled at him. Then their teacher, Mr. Garcia, appeared with the supplies for the day. "Hello, everybody. Please come over here to get your gloves and bags. You will need one of each to collect the trash around here." The kids ran to their teacher and got what they needed to clean up the park. There was trash everywhere. Tim picked up candy wrappers, newspapers, and apple cores. After an hour and a half, his bag was full. When everyone was done, Mr. Garcia loaded the trash bags into a pickup truck to take them to the landfill. The park looked great. Then, the kids painted signs to put up around the park that read, "Please place trash in the trash cans to keep the park clean." When Mr. Garcia got back, he brought pizzas and lemonade for everyone who helped clean the park. It was such a memorable day for Tim and his classmates.
Now answer the questions. Number 26. What did the kids do on cleanup day? A. They went to the park to pick up trash. B. They went on a bike ride together. C. They gathered to eat pizzas and drink lemonade. Number 27. How did Tim get to the park? A. By bus. B. By bike. B. By bike. C. On foot. Number 28. What did Tim collect at the park? A. Newspapers, apple cores, and candy wrappers. B. Candy wrappers and old gloves. C. Candy wrappers, soda cans, and plastic bags. Number 29. Which would be the best title for this story? A. A clean park. B. A park outing. C. A memorable cleanup day.
Listen to the teacher give a geography lesson about Alaska.
Alaska is the largest state in the United States. Its capital is Juneau. It has a population of around 740,000 people. Polar bears, walruses, and black bears are some typical animals there. Of the 20 highest peaks in the United States, 17 can be found in Alaska. Denali is the highest peak in North America. It's 20,320 feet above sea level. Its name means the Great One. Alaska has over 3,000 rivers and 3 million lakes. Its largest lake, Lake Liamna, is over 1,000 square miles. That's about the size of Connecticut. Alaska has about 100,000 glaciers of all different sizes. More than 70 potentially active volcanoes are located in Alaska. The highest temperature ever recorded in Alaska was 100 degrees Fahrenheit in Fort Yukon in 1915. The lowest was -80 degrees Fahrenheit at Prospect Creek Camp in 1971.
Now answer the questions. Number 30. What is the population of Alaska? A. About 440,000 people. B. About 714,000 people. C. About 740,000 people. Number 31. How many rivers are there in Alaska? A. 3,000. B. 30,000. C. 3 million. Number 32. Where was the highest temperature ever recorded in Alaska? A. Liamna. B. Denali. C. Fort Yukon. Listen to the biology teacher give a lesson about rain.
Rain is droplets of water that fall from clouds. When the water on top of oceans, rivers, and lakes absorb enough heat from the sun, it turns into a gas called water vapor through a process called evaporation. Then it cools down and forms tiny water droplets. These droplets are so light that they can float in the air. Gradually, these droplets join together to become bigger and bigger. When the droplets become big and heavy enough, gravity causes them to fall to earth. We call the falling water drops rain. So that's basically how rain is formed. Rain gives us fresh water to drink, helps farmers grow crops, and keeps everything green and lush. Rain fills lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. Without rain, most of our planet would be a desert. However, if too much rain falls, dangerous floods might happen.
Now answer the questions. Number 33. What happens when the water on top of oceans, rivers, and lakes absorbs enough heat? A. It boils. B. It turns into water vapor. C. It cools down. Number 34. Why do big water droplets fall to Earth? A. Because of gravity. B. Because of friction. C. Because of high temperatures. Number 35. What if too much rain falls? A. Deserts will appear. B. Floods might happen. C. You will be thirsty. Listen to the teacher give a lesson about melting point.
Every type of matter can be found in one state or another. These states include solids, liquids, and gases. Matter can change from one state to another when you apply heat. For example, you can use heat to change a solid into a liquid. This process is called melting, which happens at the temperature called the melting point. When an element is heated, its tiny parts called molecules gain more energy. They begin to move about more freely. As a result, the element is changed from a solid to a liquid. Every element in the world has a melting point. Some may have a much higher melting point than others. For example, graphite is melted at 3,800 degrees Celsius, iron at 1,200 degrees Celsius, and aluminum at 658 degrees Celsius. This may be a surprise for you, but glass is made from sand. People make glass by heating ordinary sand until it melts and turns into a liquid at the incredibly high temperature of 1,700 degrees Celsius.
Now answer the questions. Number 36. When does a solid change into a liquid? A. When it's heated to its melting point. B. When it gets energy. C. When you put it into boiling water. Number 37. What happens when an element is heated? A. It becomes super strong. B. Its tiny parts move freely because they gain more energy. C. It becomes bigger. Number 38. What is glass made from? A. Graphite. B. Aluminum. C. Sand. Number 39. What is the melting point of sand? A. 1,200 degrees Celsius. B. 658 degrees Celsius. C. 1,700 degrees Celsius.